guys, it's me, Mattie, and today I'm going to be turning this into this. I'm going to show you how I did that. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this piece of furniture is going to go in my room, but I don't really like this ugly color, so we're going to paint it the color in my room. Okay, so I'm going to be taking these drawers out so we can paint it without getting them dirty. Okay, the drawers are out. So now we're going to sand it. Okay, now I'm going to take off these knobs so when we paint it, we won't get them.
Take the screw and put it back in the knob put the screw back in the knob so you don't lose it.
Okay, now put the screw back in the knob so you don't lose it. Over there.
And let's get the next one.
And let's get the next one. Wait, no, I can get it out. No, I can't get that out. I'll try.
Take the end of your screwdriver and knock it.
Like with this?
Yep. No.
Like that? Oh, shoot. Okay. Now we're gonna put the screw back in so we don't lose it. Now we're painting it with the primer. With the light, and we just go just like when we use the light, but with Stop. Supposed to be filming me painting. Hi guys. Okay, so we finished painting it, and this is what it looks like, and I really like it. And I'm going to be showing you where stuff goes. So right here in these two cabinets, you open, and it has my TV. And on my TV are my Shopkins, my shell, my starfish, and those two other things. Ugh, really? Then I have this that goes on the knobs that just holds stuff of mine. Then I have my clothes in these drawers and they all go out. And there's nothing on the top, but we left the wood blank because I liked how it looked. And I hope you like this video. Subscribe and hit the bell. Hope you like this video. Bye!